During a settlement conference in court, the defense makes an offer to settle your case. Can I go ahead and make a Lifeline call like you see on Shark Tank or on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. So now it's a settlement conference. It's shortly before your case goes to trial. I had no idea that the defense was going to make an offer to settle your case during the settlement conference. Sometimes they do. Many times they don't. But now, if we've not had an opportunity to discuss this, can I turn to the judge and say, Your Honor, I'd like to go make a Lifeline call to my client and discuss this with him? Will the judge allow me to do that? Absolutely. The judge wants to give us every opportunity to have an intelligent conversation about the pros and cons of this particular settlement offer. And now, just like on Shark Tank, just like on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, I have the opportunity to go outside the courtroom, call my client, and now discuss with him exactly what the offer is and give him my opinion, my legal opinion, about whether or not I think it's a great offer or a bad offer, and now we can formulate a strategy about what to do next. I can come back with a counteroffer. I can deny it outright. I can suggest something else. So now it gives me an opportunity to have an informed discussion with my client. So now when I go back into court, I can tell the judge, Your Honor, I've spoken with my client. Here's what he'd like to do. So to answer the question in the headline, yes. The judge will give us every opportunity to go ahead and talk to our client if we've not had an opportunity beforehand to get authority to settle the case. Now I have the opportunity to do so. So what happens if I can't reach my client? I've now asked the judge if I can go outside, call my client, and now he's given me permission to do so. But if I can't reach him, now I have to go back into the judge and say, Your Honor, I can't reach my client. Can we have a week so that I have the opportunity to now talk to my client and then be able to come back and either counteroffer or make some other presentation so that we can try and resolve this? And many times the judge will say, absolutely. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these cases here in the state of New York, especially during a settlement conference, a pretrial conference, in anticipation of your case going to trial. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions and your matter happened here in New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.